Hello friends, I am MB. Today I am going to discuss one more project, and this project IMDb analysis. So first you understand how to what is IMDb analysis. So look here, IMDb analysis. So IMDb is a rating, review, and where to watch the best movie. So IMDb is an online database of information like film, television series, home video, video streaming, content online including productions and others like here. So top are 250 movies, top rated TV shows, and the standmans like grey mans. Just these are the today is a being a famous. So first I am collecting a data from Kaggle. So need to import OS environment Kaggle configurations DR. So let's start from here. Because I am collecting a data from Kaggle, so need to some basic process to collect the data from this. So let's see first. I think internet is working, don't worry. So taking a time. So now the second just OS dot environ Kaggle configurations, and the other it has percentage CD content driven Kaggle, this one, and now the Kaggle datasets downloaded from here, and another is the if you have a zip file, so you can convert into unzip. So need to write here y, and then you need to write here again. Now import pandas pd sns, panda for data structure, sns for plotting, matplot is also the plotting, and numpy for like a structures. So for data it has been imported. Now the look here, your data look like this way. So your data means rank has been given, titles and other are also given. So now I need to the look here the tails. So we can see the only last 5 rows and columns. So now the data, what is the shape? So there are 1000 shape, means there are number of rows and 12 columns. And if I want to get the informations about the whole data, so let's see the informations about. So there are, you can start from the 0, rank, title and these things, and there are 12 columns. Okay, it has been given, and the data types has integers, objects, all the data types has been given. And how to check a missing value? So do you have any missing value in this data? So look like so you can write here print any missing value, comma, data is null dot value dot any parenthesis. So I am asking a question. So any missing value? Yes, true. So now you can check is null, means which column has a missing value. So look here, but true don't have the any, but I am not getting a properly, so need to get a sum. So data is data dot is null dot sum, so you can get a number of the missing values. So look here where it contains, yeah, it has a revenue, there are 128 missing value, and meta score it contains 64. So is it clear? So where is missing value and how to visualize missing value using a heat map. So sns dot heat map and data. Now another, how to convert the missing value into a percentage. So let's see the data underscore missing will equal to data dot is null parenthesis is sum multiplied by 100 and divided by the length of the whole data. Now I have gotten, so there are 12% in the revenues contains a missing value, and meta scores it contains the 6.4%. How to drop a missing value? So let's see, need to the data that drop NA axis 0, so you write here. So now you can easily drop a missing value. So now we need to check again. So do you have any missing value? So now you don't have the false you are looking, so you can check a whole data. Let's see, I am checking the whole data. Now again I need to describe from this data, so only numeric value it will be. See, look here, count. So there are 1000 and mean has been given here, standard deviation has given, minimum value is given 25%, 50% like a median, and 75%, and maximum is the 1000. How to describe a data? So you can describe a data all means including all values, so you need to, as it is a data, otherwise it will describe only a numeric value. Look here, so I don't think it is a columns is not a work like here. So data dot columns means it contains the rank, title, genre, descriptions, directors, actors, year. These are columns. So now let's see the run times. So look here, where is the run time here? So I need to the data only the run times, and run times means it contains the greater and equal to the 180 minutes. So it has this one, data run times, it is a greater than, you need to the all. And now I want to describe here data runtime minutes, so display the titles also. So these are the titles. The Wolf of Wall Street has been seen. These are, and similarly excuse me, which year there was the highest average voting, so you can see here. And another, the data group by the years, so you can see here group by. Now similarly the group by years and votes, so you can analyze by the votes, how total number of the votes. And now I want to the plot the x years and y the votes, so you can represent the 2008 it contains the maximum number of votes, then 2012, then 2006, and in which year there was the highest average revenue. So we can easily, first we need to see the columns, and then I want to get the highest average revenue. So data dot group by years, revenue in millions, dot mean dot sort value ascending or false. So look here, you can easily get this value. Similarly, I want to the plot the revenue here, so we can see the easily. So here, in which year you have gotten the more revenue, so 2009. Then after that you can see the 12, then 8. Okay, so find the average rating for the each director. So let's say here, so average rating has been given each directors. Now the data group by directors and rating, mean dot sort value ascending the false. So look here, all the Nitesh Tiwari been given the first. Similarly, I want to the display the top 10 lengthy movie and title. So look here, the data and largest and runtime minutes has been mentioned here. Now I want to the look like a name of the titles of this movie with the times. So it has been given. Now I want to clear the titles and only minutes. So you can see here. Now I would like to the same way, and after runtime I need to plot. So X has a runtime minutes. So look here, I can plot. Before plot you need to this one. Here minutes has been given here, and then I will do this one, top 10 length has been given here. So look here, and now display the number of the movie per year. So same we can use per year, total number of the movies has been seen. Next we can also the plot. So 2016 I think we have gotten the maximum number of movies and most popular movie title in the highest revenue. So revenue 936. And now do you have any revenue, means data revenue in the millions? So look here, revenue millions, you can convert the revenue millions. And now similarly this data highest revenue it has been given. And now display the top 10 highest rated movie and titles of the directors. So save the data, enlarge and 10 ratings you can use. And rating, we can describe the data dot enlargest and 10 rating, title and rating. So it is look like this. And now the data enlarges the titles, rating and directors names has been given. Similarly look here, we can plot the SNS dot bar plot rating. So you need to write the name of the directors, it can intimated of these things. So I hope plot hue out of this box, so we can change here. Similarly the display 10 highest revenue movie here is given. Look here, the 10 highest movie. And data N largest, same way the revenue mean millions and title revenue millions, 936 millions Star Wars. And again you can use the top 10 with the revenue. And now we can plot the bar plots, top 10 movie. Another the bar plots index date top 10 and add the title and remove a text also. Now find the average. We can group by the rating and mean. We can easily get here the mean. And now again ascending order. Same, we can scatter plot rating and revenue. Similarly, classify the movie based on the rating and excellent, good and average. So we can use the define the rating as a greater than, if else. And now again the data has been given and count the actions here. The total columns is given and the types has been given, data types. So same way we can use here the actions and case false. Data look like the str and contains the action, and then we are going to find the unique value. So first we need to the length here, get the answer, the number of the action movie, and then after the unique value of January, the total columns. And now the data, it has been the January right here. So these are the way we can easily describe this project. So you have your own analysis and you try to understand how to analyze, and you try so many way. So this is my way I can analyze this project, and you can also try your way. Thank you. I think it will be helpful.